Now, what you do, we go down here, and you got your, I just selected the timeline, I'm over here, yay. And I go to File, Export, Media. And for our projects, two things. Double click on the title here, and you're gonna see where it's gonna save. Many of you, it's saving like in 10.0, and that's a folder buried inside a folder. What I recommend is select desktop. It's that simple. If you don't know where it saved before, you can then travel into the folders and find out. But just make sure it's desktop here. Okay, so there's that. At that point, I could have changed the name if I wanted to. The next thing is I want you to select, instead of QuickTime, go down to H.264. What it's going to do is it's going to match the input and the output. So the highest quality video coming in, which is what we have set with the James Clark video, it's going to match that for export. Last project, people didn't do that, and that's why most of them looked lower quality, because we did the QuickTime piece. When that's set, I can click export. It's that simple. And then you wait. And it's going to take a few minutes to process, and then it'll be on the desktop, and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks.